How to turn off the commentator sound in Headball 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you're getting distracted by the commentator voice in Headball 2 and you want a quieter experience, then you can easily turn it off. Launch open the Headball 2 game on your device first, and once you're in the main lobby, go to the right hand corner and tap on this arrow in green and click on the gear button. Once you do that, from the settings menu tap on Sound. Under Sound, turn off the button right next to Commentator and make sure that it is switched off. Right after you do that, you'll be able to turn off the commentary voice in the Headball 2 game. You can also turn off other voice options such as game sound and music option from the same page. After you are done, you can then enjoy the game in silence without any commentary and fully concentrate on your goals on Headball 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.